the 2026 Ford Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling luxury fortress. A blend of futuristic design, unmatched comfort, and beastly performance. If you're into the extreme high end of mobile living, this one is going to blow your mind. Let's begin with the exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Ford Motorome looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The design is aerodynamic, yet bold with massive sculpted curves that sweep from front to rear. The glossy black and pearl white dual-tone paint gives it a hyper-modern spaceship-like appearance. The LED lighting strip at the front is integrated flawlessly, offering not just visibility, but a signature-style statement. The enormous multi-axle wheel setup, yes, we're talking 10 wheels, gives this beast a commanding road presence. Chrome-detailed rims reflect light like diamonds, making it look like it's gliding on luxury itself. One of the standout design elements is the upper-level cockpit, like driver's cabin raised above the rest of the structure like the bridge of a super yacht, giving drivers a full panoramic view of the road. Now stepping inside, prepare to be amazed. The interior of the 2026 Ford Motorhome redefines what luxury means on wheels. As soon as the automatic gullwing style door opens, you're greeted by a futuristic ambience. Ambient LED lighting, Italian leather finishes, carbon fiber accents, and seamless touchscreens that control everything from lighting to climate. The main lounge area looks like a 5-star hotel suite, complete with recliner sofas, a widescreen OLED TV, and even a built-in fireplace. Yes, a fireplace in a motorhome. It doesn't end there. The kitchen is fully equipped with smart appliances, including an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and voice-activated storage compartments. The dining area seats up to 6 people and doubles as a work-from-anywhere tech hub. Walk into the rear, and you'll find a spa-like bathroom with a rain shower, marble floors, and a self-cleaning toilet. And then there's the master bedroom, a king-size bed with memory foam, retractable privacy glass, starlight ceiling, and full surround sound audio system. Ford even added an upper deck lounge area with retractable seating and a sunroof, perfect for watching sunsets in remote destinations. Now, let's talk performance. The 2026 Ford Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 turbocharged engine paired with an advanced electric drive system. Together, they deliver over 1/200 horsepower, which is insane for a vehicle of this size. This allows the motorhome to cruise smoothly even at highway speeds with surprising acceleration and ultra-silent operation thanks to electric drive assist. The onboard AI navigation system adapts to traffic and weather conditions in real time, optimizing routes and energy usage. Air suspension and auto-leveling tech make every ride feel like floating on air, no matter the road condition. When it comes to price, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Ford Motorhome is expected to start at around $3.5 million, depending on customization options. You can spec it to include a mini garage for a sports car, drone landing pad, and even a rooftop jacuzzi. Ford is offering extremely limited units, making this a collector's item and a status symbol for ultra-wealthy explorers. So whether you're planning to tour the world in unmatched comfort or simply want to own the most luxurious motorhome on the planet, the 2026 Ford Motorhome sets a new benchmark. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving mansion, a futuristic palace on wheels, and a clear sign that Ford isn't just thinking ahead. They're already there.